it's Jen, and I just wanted to come on here for a minute and just discuss Loadstone. I'm sure you've seen lots about Loadstone adding all these events on, and you've been like, what is Loadstone? Well, let's get into this for a minute because you need to learn about Loadstone. So Loadstone is this wonderful app that you can find on and download. When you download it, it's going to pop up like this, and you're going to see and have access to every single event in your community. The great thing is it actually pings where you are at this time. So if you're in Kapuskasing, all the events for Kapuskasing are going to pop up. You go up to the calendar right up here. Of course I can't do it because you go up to the calendar and you can see all these little circles. Well, guess what? All those circles are dates that have events on them, and you can know what is happening on those events. Maybe you're coming to Kapuskasing in August, let's say August, wrong direction. Then you can see what's happening in Kapuskasing on that date. But let's say you're traveling to Timmins next week and you want to know what's happening in Timmins. Well, let's go back and let's change your location. So click on Kapuskasing. See, it totally maps you to there. But here, 1 second. Change it to map, and let's search your location. So, we're headed to Timmins. If I can type Timmins, Ontario, right there. Has a lot of options. Go back. Now we're in Timmins. Let's see what's happening in Timmins. Oh, look at that. Look at all these amazing events that are happening in Timmins the next little while. Let's go to the calendar. We're going next week. So in May, any events happening? Not quite yet, but there, all these amazing events. On the 25th, actually, there's a few different events happening. We are expanding and we want to get more events in. So if you have an event that's happening and you want to help promote it, well, let us know and send us a message and we'll get that event on our page. We're trying to expand Timmins, Cochran, Hearst, you name it. We want to get there. But as I say, this is Adam's project and he's been working on this for a long time. We're getting there. It's gonna take time to get there, but we need your help. So the more events on here, the better, and it also helps you guys, because I don't know how many times I've searched for an event and then didn't find it, or I found it 3 days after the event. And do you know how annoying that is? That you could have went to that really awesome event and you didn't know about it because you couldn't find it. Now you can easily find your events. And, how awesome is it to be able to just go, let's look and see what's happening next week. Or I have family coming and what can we do? So check it out, download it today. It's quite an amazing app. And as I said, if you have an event that's coming up, message Adam or myself and we'll get your event onto the app. It's not in Kapuskasing, but you have an event elsewhere, send us the info and we'll get it on the app, because the more that we can get on here, the better. So help us help you.